Hey, I got a nice little video series I'm working on. I'm out in somebody's backyard, a friend of mine, and look at the grass is dying and the plants need to be watered a different way. She's on a drip irrigation, and there's a mandatory thing that says 2 days a week is all she can water, and she wants to save some water. And she had a landscaper come out and look at her place, and he was going to do some stuff to the drip irrigation system, and it was going to cost her $750. Well, I said phooey on that, nothing doing. And so we went down to the store, and I'm going to show her on the next video how to do some different things to the existing drip irrigation. And here's what I'm talking about right here. See these back ones here? Usually these are individually run with a separate drip line. Well, see right here, this is a sprayer right here. That just sprays and cascades water. That's a waste of water. We're going to take this out. We're going to change that to a different head, and it's going to save a ton of water. And see, here's another one right here. This one right here is a sprayer. And all the ones along this back fence are sprayers. So those are going to be changed out to different heads, and that's going to save. And then we'll take a look at some other stuff, and I'll show you how to turn on the sprinklers. There's some sprinkler valves way back in there. We'll have to dig those up, and then we're also going to look at some of the existing drip irrigation and see if the heads are cleared and that kind of stuff. Okay, I'm kind of excited about showing you that, but for right now, we went down to the store and we got less than $50 worth of material right in this little bag, and that's what we're going to use for this project. We've got some drip irrigation tubing, and we've got some different things here. You may not know how to work your drip irrigation, but I'm going to show you all kinds of stuff. Like this is a little puncture tool that we're going to use, and then here's some drippers. This is 2 gallons per hour flag drippers, they're called, and those are going to be run. And then I've got, let's see, some plugs right here for any lines that we see that aren't going to certain places. We can plug those off. And here's some connectors. We've got to have connectors to tap into the existing line. You can get all this at your local hardware store. We happen to go to Lowe's because it was closest here. Here's some more hole plugs. And here's some mini inline drippers. I'm not quite sure if we're going to use those, but if we get to a certain area and if we think those are better than the flag drippers, we'll use them. If not, we can take them back. So for less than $50, she's going to learn how to do this, and I want you to know that if she can do it, of course you can do it too. So I'm not going to be here next week doing everything myself. I'm going to show her the basics, and I'm going to get her going and do enough until she feels comfortable, and then she's going to have at it. Oh yeah. Stick around. Just a quick shot of the front, and we're going to go ahead and change these too. See here, there's some nice little rose bushes right in here, but there's a sprayer for it. We don't need a sprayer. So we're going to tap into that. We're going to get rid of this extension piece that's holding up here, this whole thing, and we're going to put a coupling on there. We're going to run it over here, and then we may run another T off of it over to the next one. And see, there's a pipe there, and look over here, here's another one of those. Anytime you have these, I mean, those are kind of fine if you have like some landscaped area, you know, with some vines or some bushes, you know, kind of like those over there, let's say, that, you know, or something like these. you know, you could put a sprayer in there. But anytime you put them right out in the open like that, you're wasting water, and you're also encouraging weeds to grow in the bark around your rose bushes, let's say. So say we're just going to put one drip to this rose bush, one over to this one to that one to that one. Look at this over here. You've got a tree, and here's another sprayer here. We're going to do away with that. No need. And that's going to save us a ton of water. Okay? Stick around. You're going to like this series, because I want you to start saving water too. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.